everywhere. Odonga, Otto, Lanya Gilbert, Omona, Minister, Chief Justice Windle. You're moving everywhere with my name. Why? On the issue of Balaalo. This is a free, well-reasoned advice to all the Balaalo and all the sane Ugandans. One, customary land is not for sale. If anyone is coming to you that you have to buy customary land, don't buy. It's not for sale. It cannot be sold. Don't buy. If you buy, you will buy air. Number two, many of you are raising arguments that we Acholis don't want people to stay in our land. I want to say we are not irredentist. We are not engaged in irredentism. In any case, Uganda found us there. Uganda found Acholis where they are. But Uganda found Banyankole where they are. The British Protectorate found the Baganda where they are. So if you want commercial plots in Gulu town, commercial plots, there are so many commercial plots for sale. General Salim Saleh has plots in town. The former land of Dairy Corporation in Gulu belongs to Banyankole. No one is chasing them away. It's their land. And anyone who wants commercial plots in Gulu, please come. I even have one next to my hotel. There are plots for sale. Please come from Barara, Rukongiri, Kirihura. We are waiting for you. So those of you who are saying that the Baganda should chase the Acholi in Ankole should be chased, you are being silly. You are being silly. Commercial plots, people stay anywhere in Uganda. This one of 25 by 100, commercial plots. But you don't come to someone's home and fence 3 square miles. Even me, Odonga Otto, who is a cultural leader, I'm a clan leader. I cannot even fence my land. Who are you to come from wherever you came from and you come to sell, to fence people's land? That is not for our culture. Who are you excluding? Because the philosophy of a fence is excluding someone. But we are in a communal setup. These are hunting grounds. These are grounds for rituals. These are grounds for tree felling. You come and fence them and you think we are going to clap our hands that we are patriotic. To hell with patriotism. So we don't hate people. We don't hate anyone. Please check my number on my page. Come, I'll give you a commercial plot of land. But for you to go to the villages and claim you buy customary land and you are fenced 4 square miles, you are dreamers. With or without Museveni, you will not stay. Amin tried, he failed. This one I can talk with authority. You can threaten me. You can even say you want to kill me. It's okay, everyone will die. But this one I can talk with authority. God is not stupid to give every tribe their language and every tribe their piece of land. So stop taking advantage of people and intimidating people because you are in government. You are not going to be in government forever, for crying out loud. Now you are saying, if there are any Acholis in Ankole, we should chase them. You chase them, chase them. There is no one to chase. There is no one. Just tell me one Acholi in Chirura. Tell me one Acholi in Ibanda. Tell me one Acholi in Bush. There is no one to chase. There is no one. Now the next question you'd be asking is, don't I own land in Uganda? I own land in Buganda. 50 by 100. 50 meters by 100 meters. 50 meters by 100 meters. And guess what? The title is in the name of the Kabaka. In 49 years, the land goes back to Kabaka. The land goes back to Buganda Kingdom. It's a lease. So for you, you want to come in our area and then you claim you have bought customary land for 700,000 and then you own it forever. We went to school, for heaven's sake. We are educated. We are very intelligent. We are not gullible. We are not naive. So the land in Buganda belongs to Buganda. That is why even in the constitution, they say Kampala in Buganda. We are tenants of the Kabaka. So we want when you come in Acholi, you be our tenants. You don't become landlords. We are not doing the same in Mbarara. We are not doing the same in Chirura. Okay, if Acholis are bad people, let me just ask that question. Why were the Balaalo chased from Bulisa? Why were the Balaalo chased from Banyoro? Why were the Balaalo chased from Iteso? Why were the Balaalo chased from Tanzania? 11,000 Balaalo were chased from Tanzania. The government ate all their cows. So they now want to come in Acholi and become landlords and make our people landless. What you did in Nakaseke was predominantly Buganda. In 40 years, they have fenced the whole place. They have pushed the Baganda in town. So we are not irredentists. We are not against development. If we are against development, the first place to march in is the plot belonging to Jerusalem Saleh's wife. The commercial plots, Dairy Corporation. They are Bagisu, they are Baganda, they are Iteso owning plots of land in Gulu City, in Kitgum City. Welcome. We love you. We need you. But to come and fence the hills, the valleys, and the rivers, and you rely on patriotism, no, you will not intimidate anyone. President Museveni is not the first president, and he will not be the last. Now, what is the way forward? Many people are talking of a win-win. If the Balaalo leaves Acholi, which they will leave, there is need for verification. There is need for a verification committee, a very honest, strong verification committee, to establish who are Rwandese. There are people all the way from Rwanda, in Acholi here, from Rwanda. One of my managers is a Banyankole. I took him to one Mulala and said, speak to him, this is your tribesman. She said she can't speak the same language. They are from Rwanda. This is where Ugandans have to be patriotic. We have to be patriotic. We should first protect our country. 60% of Balaalo are Rwandese. I'm talking of Rwandese. I'm not talking of Banyarwanda, the tribe in the constitution, like of Mukasa Mbide. So these issues, we need to have a comprehensive verification. And the verification, all those who bought land, we can give them rental periods. Because you don't buy customary land. You have to call a clan of 5,000 people. I'm a clan holder. I have 7,000 subjects. You have to call all of them. They have to climb trees and say, you are buying. So grazing, renting is okay. But buying, no. 2, if you want to be compensated, this is your government. You are the people who are running around that you're in government. Go to government. And government can compensate you. Or you charge those who collected your money, obtaining money and false pretense, line them up even in the court martial. But for you to be there on TV, running on TV, we bought customary land, the Acholis don't want people, can the Baganda chase them? Are you Balaalo? Are you Baganda? Why are you speaking for the Baganda? So this is not acceptable. We can give grazing rights, rentals, so that the cows can eat the grass for a few months, so that you recover your money and you leave. But that one comes after the verification. I have even seen a Balaalo with a freehold title, that he owns 5,000 acres freehold forever. In the forms for the freehold, they even ask, who is your grandfather? Who is your grandmother? Because they want to establish that there is no dispute at all. Our people are just recovering from the war. We took 23 years in the camp. We are just settling. Some people have settled in areas which is not theirs. And some of those who have settled in areas which is not theirs, they are now hurrying to sell it to the Balaalo. There are interclan conflicts. We need time to recover. Don't take advantage of us. Don't intimidate us. And the final court, the final judge, the final executive order that will be followed, whether you like it or not, will come from the people. And that is the baton we are holding in our hands. So let's be civil. Let's respect the presidential directive. Leave and go back where you came from. Then we start the verification, and we can give some grazing rights. Some they can have leases. But to come and think you have got your promised land in Acholi, I can assure you, you can kill Honorable Odonga, but the blood of Honorable Odonga will water the trees for other freedom fighters. This can even end in a civil war. We fought the British. Ask yourself, 27 rebel groups, The NRA destroyed all the 27 rebel groups. 27, they destroyed them. The mighty UPDF destroyed all of them. But the one in Acholi, it took 23 years. And it is peace talks that made the war end. Not bullets. If it is bullets, no. Some of you who claim to be generals, first give me one AK-47. You have one, I have one. We count the bullets, and then we go and see who will deal with the other. You are genetically cowards. We are genetically brave. So we don't want to mobilize our people into a civil war. We had the Ramogi rebellion. We don't want to be pushed for our people to carry arms against government. No. So let's follow the presidential directive. Leave wherever you're going. That's your problem. You are the one who knows where you came from. You did not come from planet Mars. Whether you got a loan, whether you are demonstrating to parliament, crying with my name, you rather demonstrate and go back to your home area and cry from there. So once we have a credible verification team, we can differentiate the categories. Those from Rwanda and Burundi, Congo, leave. The Ugandans, we can talk. We can give you granting and grazing rights. But to own it in perpetuity, you are just jokers. And for your information, the total number of cows in Acholi now is 285,000 cows, which is the same amount that was removed in 1987. So the cows have returned home. Let the debate begin. But for me, you cannot intimidate me. No.